Hi guys, my name is Abba and welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button right away and become part of the amazing family today. Today I will be sharing with you how I make my Koose pancake or Akara pancake. If you love Koose but don't like the oil that comes with it, or if you just want to try new ways of eating something you are used to, then this recipe is definitely for you. So come along and let's get right into it. I have my white beans which I have soaked overnight. I also have 1 egg, 1 shallot, half of a red bell pepper, half of a spring onion. I've got some salt, shrimp powder and some garlic powder, and you may also use a fresh garlic if you have that. We also need about 2 tablespoons of some all-purpose flour. And as always, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. To begin our Koose, you want to give your soaked beans a quick rinse because it's been in that water for a little over 8 hours. So rinse it out and then blend it together with your vegetables. And I'm adding my vegetables first in my blender because I want to avoid adding too much water to my mixture. Next, you want to go ahead and add your white beans. And I'm using white beans because I don't want to be peeling beans. Originally, black-eyed peas is what is used for Koose. Now add your seasoning, which is your shrimp powder, salt and garlic powder, and add just enough water to blend everything together. Depending on the strength of your blender, you may need to stop a few times and stir in between to get it very well and smoothly blended. Once you are done blending, your mixture should look very thick and silky smooth, just like this paste right here. This is very important for you to get the perfect texture. Now add your egg and your 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix everything together until it is well combined. Now the flour here is not an optional ingredient, it is a must because without it, your pancake texture is going to be off. The flour acts as a binder that is going to keep your pancake together perfectly. In developing this recipe, I have tried both with and without flour, and without flour the texture is just not okay. And having said that, try not to overdo the flour, stick to just 2 tablespoons and your pancake will come out very perfect. On a medium heat, you want to oil a frying pan and scoop some of the batter into it when hot and try to spread it out with the back of your ladle to get a perfectly round shape. When the surface of your pancake is set, flip it over and cook the other side for about a minute or 2 as well. And there you have it, our first Koose pancake has been made, and just look at how beautiful this looks. So now I'm going to transfer our cooked pancake onto a plate and continue with the rest of the batter until everything is used up. So with my cooking spray, I'm going to oil my frying pan once again and then scoop some of the butter into it and spread it out with the back of the ladle. But this time around, I also wet a teaspoon and use the back of it to spread it out. I realized that the spoon works better than the ladle. And when the surface is set, you are going to flip it over and cook the other side for about 2 minutes as well, and then transfer it onto the plate with your cooked pancakes. And I mean, just look at this beauty. It looks so beautiful, it smells so amazing, and when you taste this, it feels the same as eating Koose, but just that it's in a pancake form. You really need to try it to know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm so grateful to my friend who suggested this wonderful idea when I posted my Koose video because she was worried about the oil we used in frying the Koose, and was just looking for a healthier option. So thank you very much, Lottie. And there we have it. All our butter is used up, and this is our very last pancake. This butter was able to make about 6 pancakes. And now let's take a look at how the Koose looks on the inside. Now this Koose pancake is light, it is soft, it is pliable as you can see. It tastes exactly as Koose, just that it's in a pancake form. You need to try this recipe to know what I'm talking about. So on the day I made this Koose pancake, I also fried some Bofrot with which we enjoyed some Hausa koko. And I already have a recipe for this delicious Bofrot on the channel, and I also have a recipe for the Hausa koko here as well. I'm going to link them all down below so you can check them out. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So cook this recipe with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.